Okay, once that's finished downloading, you can just click on it at the bottom, and what that will do is it will expand the zip file and it will drop off something that looks like this, just a little icon. You should move this over into your applications folder. So easy way of doing that, new Finder window, and if you've got it, you can go to Go, Applications, and then you can just drop that into here. Now for me, I already had a version of Arduino. I'm just going to hit Replace to update it to the latest version that I've just downloaded. Okay, now with that, I have now got Arduino on my computer. It's installed. I can go to my applications folder, and I can double click it, or if it doesn't automatically start, then I can start to use that piece of software. It will go through a verification process. Are you sure you want to open it? You've downloaded it from the internet? Yeah, sure, open. And when it first opens up, it eventually opens up. It's initialized all the packages. Then it should give us just a blank document. They're called, in Arduino, they're called sketches, but all it really is a software program that you write yourself. And it will start with, well, for me, it's going to start with, Blink. Ask me if I want to update some other stuff. You shouldn't get that on yours at all. And yours will probably start with something that looks like this. That's what you'll get, just a blank document.